I had very sore knees, and the knees were getting progressively worse, so I had problems walking. I came here and I had x-rays done, showed that I needed knee replacement. My knees were very bad.
Mrs. Gail, she have problem with deformity of her knee, and also she complained about pain in her knee. She suffered from this pain quite a long time. She also, when she walks, she feels that her knee have deformity and very difficult to walk, especially walk up or down stairs.
I was unable to do a lot of things because I couldn't walk like I normally walked. I couldn't go hiking.
Her knees have been deteriorating things got dramatically worse, and then we came to Bangkok Hospital to see what our options were.
Highly recommended from all of our yachty friends talked to. They said, go there, that's the best hospital in Phuket. So we decided to come here.
So in her case, the treatment should be to correct her both knee and also about the arthritis change in her knee. So, but the problem of her knee is she have deformity in both knees. One we operate just one leg, another leg still have deformity. That is quite complicated.
He said that I could wait a month, but I couldn't wait a year for my knees, that they needed to be replaced. And that if I tried to wait longer, then they wouldn't be able to fix them and make them straight, because my knees were getting more bow-legged and it was just bone on bone. So it had to be done, and it had to be done now.
And he had good answers for everyone, so we felt we were in good hands.
The Dr. Anupab was excellent, and he explained it thoroughly, and he had on his computer screens, he showed us what my knees look like and what they would look like with how he did it, how he could do it on his screen. The recovery is quicker and it's more precise.
Robotic knee replacement, she get very good result, and also she able to walk with very quick. And also her knee alignment looks straight. Very important of the robotic knee replacement is robotic knee replacement help us to balance the gap to make it same natural of patient. Benefit of this condition make patient very quick and fast recover.
It's great. I can walk. And I have straight legs now. Recommended to many people, not only just knee replacements, but also just the hospital in itself, because we've had such a great experience here.
For 9 years, and we've been in medical facilities in many countries, and this is the best experience we've had. Really quite outstanding. So Dr. Anupab, as we said, is absolutely top rate. The head nurse, Chantira, on the ward that we were on, and her staff, really competent and caring, looked after us every single day. I mean, the physiotherapist, Knox, is just delightful and so good at her job, and we look forward to her visit every week. It's been a very good experience with all the staff.